How to send audio files and music files on Facebook Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can send audio files and music files on Facebook Messenger. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Let's get started. First, open up your Facebook Messenger and then head over to any chat where you want to send the file. So sending a audio file that is a voice message is rather simple. All you have to do is press on this mic icon right beside the text box. Keep on pressing it until you send a VM. But we are not doing that. We are trying to send an audio file. So tap on the plus icon on the bottom left. Then select Share a File. That will open up your recent file section. Select the audio file that you want to send and then tap on Open. Now, let me do that again with a shorter file. Now, as you can see, I've just sent an audio file. You can send a music file in a similar fashion, and it's that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. That's how you send an audio file and music files on Facebook Messenger. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.